So raindrops fall like tears from the sky. In the darkness of the night, a feeling I can't deny. Instrumentals play, getting the mood just right. Lose myself in this melody, embracing the calm of the night. Sipping on my tea, watching the droplets dance. Words unsaid, taking a chance. The rhythm soothes my soul as the rain taps the glass. Wrapped in this blanket of sound, nothing else can surpass. Painted skies of gray, a serene masterpiece. As the melody unfolds, my worries fly